Hello, hello. Thank you for stopping by the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden on this breezy and cloudy day. I'm Marva, and I appreciate you taking the time to come by. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And also, show your support to a content creator who has left a comment in this video. Go ahead, check out their channel and tell them that I sent you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you two things in particular. First, I want you to see what happened to some of the coconuts on the coconut tree. And then I'd like to introduce you to the new greenhouse in the garden. So let's go ahead. Look how breezy that is. Yeah, here's a very tall coconut tree. And see, the coconuts are right here. But then I guess these became too heavy and fell. Now, I thought I would be able to support it, but look, as you can see, it is already broken from the source. So it doesn't make any sense. It's not going to grow anymore. Hopefully, I'll be able to get some water from these four and maybe some jelly. Who knows? So I'll let you know what it looks like when I'm ready. Yeah, I don't know if these will do the same once they are ready. These are, look, this is more than four. There's about nine, yeah, there are nine of them on this branch. There are nine of them on this branch right here. No doubt, they too will break off when they get bigger. So that's what I wanted you to see here at the coconut tree. Now, let's go to that new greenhouse. Well, I guess I can't just walk by here and not tell you what's going on. This is the banana plant here, and there's a bunch of bananas under this garbage bag. Why? Well, the critters started eating them while they are green. They're not even ready yet. So, to make sure that we get some, I've protected it under this bag. And so as you will see, it's not just one, but two bunches. This one was quite young. They didn't get to this one yet, but I did the same. So the hole on the bottom of the bag is so that when it rains, the water does not just collect under here and sit there and then just ruin the entire bunch of bananas. So that's what it looks like. That's the reason why the bananas are being protected like this. So I think it's the squirrels, not the birds. The birds wouldn't really go for the green bananas. It's the squirrels. Yeah. So that's what you have to do. You have to be ahead of them, or catch them when they're doing something and try to solve the problem in the garden. Okay, let's go check out the greenhouse. Several of the plants are under netting, but the one I'm taking you to is completely different. It's a greenhouse. And here it is down here. I'll show you how it was installed earlier. Okay? Just before the greenhouse was installed, we planted a few volunteer callaloo seedlings in the bed. These seedlings showed up in the eggplant and the tomato beds. Here's what this half of the bed looks like. This one small greenhouse was gifted to me by my husband. It came in a long box. However, the assembly was quite easy. No tools are needed. Here is the frame. Bell peppers and eggplants are on this side of the bed. This is what it looks like under the covering. You just simply slide the one-piece covering on top of the frame. Zippers make it quite easy for watering and harvesting. Now it's time to water the seedlings. So that's it, folks. Thank you once again for coming by. And remember, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And come back next time to see what's happening right here in the Charles Fort Lauderdale garden.